my messy middle school era. Mind y'all, when I started.
Yourself. I'm a married little Christmas.
Boom, boom. Skincare and body care after I get the shower. So, yeah. It's a little cold in my room. Like, the window open, y'all, because my allergies been acting up. As you can hear in my voice. So, my mom has the heat on. She be having on high. And I can't sleep like that. It gets my nose stuffed up. So, I opened the window for fresh air. And now I sound like I'm dying.
David, Miami, Danilo. Oh, I love y'all. Give me a hug.
Give me a hug. Hi, vlog. So I'm in my room. This is currently 4:04. So this is gonna be like a week worth of vlog. So yeah. This is the new hair. I didn't install it for y'all. I'm sorry. But it's like brown and blonde and black. Y'all know that it gives very like early 2000s music. Yeah, fitted, rest of fit. Feel me? Something like but we going to Hobby Lobby. They said they close at like 8 o'clock. So I'm about to go there first and get what I need. Gonna get them money, man. And I think I just popped my hip. I don't know what's crazy. I had one of these when I was a kid. It was black. I was obsessed with Berenstain Bears. I used to watch the show on my computer, everything. I need to find the best crayons. Like, so we're gonna buy these two. Up to the side. Then I put the meat. So basically right here I was just taking my fork to press down the empanada dough. Drop it in there. Some pork just like that. And then I got these red.
Big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Oh, your bag, told the car. Normally, respond to shit. We fun. I'm on fucking tripping. Don't get it. Your gun. They dropping locations. I'm getting it done. I'm tweeting and sliding. The feds come. He's fucking his bitches. Niggas, son. I'm hanging with killers. Breaking.
Alright, hi guys. So it's my sister's birthday dinner. And yeah, Mimi, what's this place called?
Chicago Garden.
Right? So we here with Bree and we with my sister and my stepdad and my mom. Okay, well, so we at, they better like, well, they ain't not doing nothing yet, but I got spicy tuna roll and I got, what else I got? Oh, shrimp with fried.
Why my wife?
So this the accessories I got is my ring. I got
It's cute. I wasn't talking to Miami.
and then just in my necklace. I got my gloves and I got my keys, pears, my earrings. I'm about to take my jacket off.
Happy birthday to you.
Look at the fire. Hey guys. This is the plate. Get into it.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Have a good night.
It's good. What would you rate their food?
10 out of 10.
Okay.
I just need some
Y'all say different names. Yeah, so we leaving now. And we're getting ready to go.
I'm gonna leave it.
Mariah, you saying push and you go to one of the doors.
Pulling it.
I'm dead.
Before we had it again.